Alrighty, another weekend. What should we do today? Which one should let's start this one, man. It's been a while. Let's get a cold start. Okay, I don't know if anyone remembers Bavarian Auto Sport. That was the place to get all the parts and to watch the videos and listen to Auto. I guess most of their stuff right now is at EA. I think ECS Tuning, which is Pelican Parts, a sister company. I believe they bought their parts or they bought them. I'm not sure who bought what, but if you're on Bavarian Auto parts for specific cars or specific BMW models, especially the older ones, you can get it from, they had some great deals, good prices. On my E34, I believe I got the sport coils and what else? Sport coils. I think I've got a bunch of stuff. The only one that sucked was the radiator cap. That thing didn't hold pressure. Water leaked, like coolant leaked out of the radiator. Anyways, okay. Here we go. Let's start this beast. Should we do cold start? Yeah, why not? So let's take that headset off and just trying to see if I can mount it the right way so you can hear it from this free flow exhaust. There you go. Oh, excuse the camera. I don't have all that good stuff. Oh, come on, buddy. You could do better than that. Here we go. Here we go. Let me step over you for a second. Now we'll take off the... Let's do it. Let's take off the AirPod. Keys and ignition. You like that one, huh? Ooh, best music. Take this off. Here we go. Converse now. Oh, yeah, man. Actually, wait a second. Here, I'll give you some lights. Okay. Still hasn't changed, right? Yep. 17174. You don't need an ignition, but why not? Let's check. I can't stand this digital measuring instrument. Like, what's the deal? Like, we already know stuff like this usually takes a dump. Yeah, just stick with a dipstick, man. Anyways, by the time all that good stuff, let's check out what they have. I think more than this is an overkill. Like right now, you don't get to see this anymore. this is gone. You don't enjoy simplicity and analog anymore. Now you got a screen that goes from this end all the way to that end, and it looks like that screen on the Kia Forte, I believe, or the K5. Same thing, just one big ass screen, you know? And the cars get outdated. Like, look how old this car is. This is from 2013, right? It'll never be obsolete to look at. Analog gauges, very simple, big. You got the oil temp. They should have put a coolant temp too. This is a BMW. Usually their cooling system is very finicky. But anyways, RPM, speedometer, gas gauge, you know. The onboard computer does its enough information. Here we go. You got miles per hour, miles per gallon, whatever that is, for reset, I guess. Take it away. Boom. How many miles left? That's all you need. Temp above it and time. What do you need all that crap for? I don't get it. Here you go. Oil is done, of course, on time. So, what is this? Here we go. Everything's in order. So, I don't know why people complain about this. Very simple. Menu. Easy to use. Way better than the business deck that I get in my Z4. You know, trying to go through all that stuff. You know, at least with this one is easy. But my point is, that's all you needed, right? Navy, office, connection, vehicle, info, settings, you know, control display, time and date, language, tone, speed, climate, lighting, door lock, software update, which I didn't. Some people say it's not good to do. Some people say yes, I don't need to update anything. I like to keep it the way it is. What's up with this light? And yes, man, lighting sucks here. So we don't die of carbon monoxide. So I have to pop the garage open. All right. Here we go. Let there be lights. All right. OBD2, trunk, simple pedals. I never understood why they put the lever for the cruise control here. All the other models before, they were here. So, you know, this is what we're used to. All the E's were here. I don't know why Bengal decided to toss it there. Is it because this? It has nothing to do with it. It's far away from it. It's not in the way. See, it's up here. The other one's here. I never understood that. Why would they? Why do you need to switch stuff? You know, doesn't make any sense. That's all you need. Volume, answer, that voice command nobody uses. All right, what we got here? Is that a CD? Crap. Sorry, guys. I don't get into this car that often, which I should. I enjoy it. That's what I used to use my iPhone 4, right there. There we go. That's where my iPhone 4 used to sit. It's not a lipstick. It's the cologne. What we got here? Bad lighting, huh? Auxiliary, nobody uses. USB right there. And a lighter charger. Days of the Mask are behind us. Yep. Not very simple vehicle. Very simple, yet fun. Unfortunately, this type of formula is long gone now. no more of this. So whoever has these, enjoy them. And if you ever get rid of them, make sure you get rid of them someone that appreciates them, so they will continue staying on the road. All right. Enjoy your weekend, gentlemen, ladies, Transformers.